So hi guys, how's it going? So in today's video, we're gonna change the oil on the BMW M235i. As you always know, I always use the Castrol Edge on my cars. But in today's video, we're gonna try this new oil. This is the Liquimoly 5W40 Molygen. So I never tried this product before and I heard a lot of good things about this product. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about the benefits on this motor oil, and also we're gonna do a test at the end of the video to find out if this is a really good oil. So guys, let's get started. So guys, before we continue to the video, could you just please subscribe to my channel to help this channel grow, and also don't forget to click like if you enjoyed this video. So now let's continue. So the Liquimoly Molygen is a special development by Liquimoly, and it's designed for high performance engines and also approved by a lot of European automakers. So it contains the MFC, which is the molecular friction control. So this is the combination of two additives inside that was added in the motor oil. It's a combination of tungsten and molybdenum, which reduces friction in your car. So it gives you better fuel economy, and also give you a better smoother feel of the engine. And it works together to give you a better wear control inside your engine because of the reduced friction. So you don't need any additive to add to this motor oil because it's already balanced with the additives that's already built inside. So you don't need to add anything because this is the complete package. So adding additive, for example, if you added the MOS2 or Ceratec, this will unbalance the formulation of the motor oil. So because this is already designed by Liquimoly to be balanced like this with the built-in additives, so just putting the motor oil as is good enough. So this motor oil is green, and it's also good for leak detection. So only for a certain time. So if you use the motor oil and you want to find out the leak on your engine, it's better to do it in a specific time. You don't want to wait too long because the oil is going to be older and it's going to be dark black, and you're not going to see the green anymore, so you cannot detect the leak. So it's better to do it in a certain time frame. If you want to find out the leak on your engine by using a UV light, and with this you can detect the oil where it's coming from because of the color green in this motor oil. So after I do the oil change on the car, we're gonna do a test, and we're gonna find out if we're gonna get a benefits from reducing engine noise and also a better fuel economy. So now let's continue. So I just went for a quick drive just to see how much the fuel consumption is for this BMW M235i. So this is the result after driving, and it consumes about 10.6 liter per 100 kilometer. So we're gonna see if this will be improved after the Molygen, Liquimoly 5W40 Molygen oil change, and we'll see after that. We're gonna go for a drive again to see if this consumption will be better. So now we are measuring the engine before the Liquimoly Molygen oil change, how many decibel we're getting at before the oil change. So as you can see, it's going from 63 to 66 decibel. So I like to prime this oil filter housing before I put on the oil filter. see that the oil is green. That's for leak detection. That's a good thing about this oil. You can find out the leak. That's why they put the color green, so you can check for the leak. So my engine takes about 6.5 liter. So this is a 5 liter. I'm just gonna put only 6.25. Just to be safe. That's it. So I just put 6.25 just to be safe. It's better to add a little bit more later on instead of putting too much. It's gonna be difficult to remove oil. So now this is the sound after the Liquimoly Molygen oil change. So I saw 59 to 62. So it's more quieter now with the Molygen oil change. Big difference in sound level. So this is the drive after the Molygen oil change. As you can see now, the consumption for the fuel is 9.1 liter per 100 kilometers. So that's a big difference from the previous reading, which is 10.6. So the Liquimoly Molygen oil really does make a difference in the fuel economy. So now it's 9.2. So from 10.6 to 9.1 or 9.2 liter per 100 kilometer, I think that's an excellent difference in fuel economy. So guys, I cannot believe the benefits I got from this motor oil. It's really a big difference from my usual Castrol Edge oil. Not only it reduces the engine noise and also gives me better fuel economy. But this oil is a bit pricey, so if you want to spend that extra money, you're gonna get also that benefits of saving gas and reduce noise in your engine. So guys, I hope you like the video. Please give this video a like and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Shaking every time you get into my